Everybody, hope you're having a good weekend. This is Jason from Blue Weather. If you like weather related information, please like and subscribe below. All right, guys, I'm going to explain what's going on over the next 2 or 3 weeks, starting with this next weekend coming up. It's too early to tell what might unfold for this coming weekend, but here on the Canadian, you see that it is showing a mixed bag of precip on the eastern side of West Virginia and Shenandoah Valley, Virginia, and up to the Panhandle and up all the way up into Maryland. And that actual time is showing for Friday night, right after midnight. Also on a Canadian model, if you look at 7 a.m. on Saturday morning, also still showing a mixed bag of precip there. So we'll have to watch for that, because you can see here on the GSF, it's also showing some ice up in the Panhandle on late Friday, and then ice, sleet mixed on Friday night. So like I said, that Friday, Saturday time frame of next weekend, we'll have to watch that. That's the 17th and 18th time frame. So we'll just watch that for now, see what it could end up just being plain old rain. But we'll watch and see what it turns out to be. And that was another image from the GSF model for that Saturday morning as it exits the area. And one of the things that the GSF model was kind of hinting at is maybe that rain could end as snow on the backside of it anyway. So what you're looking is maybe certain areas having some ice to start the system out and maybe ending as snow in the high elevations. The bigger picture of what we want to look at is when you look about 10 to 15 days out, you'll notice this trough over the eastern United States. And if you look over to the left side of it, that big orange pattern, it goes up way beyond Alaska, up into the Arctic. That is a big ridge. And what that could mean is you can get like a cross Arctic flow of air coming down through here, and the models have kind of been hinting at that time frame of possible low or two coming up out of the Gulf of Mexico during that time. And what it could end up being, too early to tell, but it's definitely a sign of what it could happen. You could end up with a southern snow or just the east coast snow that would come up through the Virginias. Either or could happen. And you're kind of seeing that on the data out there. This is January the 25th. The GSF was seeing that possible scenario. And the Canadian on the 21st was seeing that possible scenario, but yet farther south. So I just wanted to keep you in mind on that, because it is a pattern that could produce a coastal low, either for the south or up even further up into the Virginias. Anywhere on the East Coast, I have to watch during that time frame. Anywhere between the 21st and 25th time frame. Something like this could happen. But we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Nothing's set in stone. This is model data, but definitely looking for a pattern change after about the 19th of the month. Obviously, it's going to be warm this week, but it's not going to stay that way. Second half of January looks to be more winter-like. But I'll keep you in tune and informed in all the situations. Guys, you have a good one.